This camera doesn't refocus. That's pretty horrible.
Probably shouldn't have done that with your SIM card.
Ooh, that's pretty. First impression, very much like an iPhone. Very, very much like an iPhone. Except in the weight, it's incredibly light. I'm assuming it hasn't got the battery in it yet though, so that could be why. If you've had an iPhone or an iPod, particularly the 1G that had this style of case, that's very, very similar. It's identical, sorry. Don't worry, my hand's covering your cleavage. Maybe. Driver disc and a manual. That's a bit boring.
Yeah, this hasn't got a battery in it.
Also very Apple-like. Has that rubbery, grippy texture. Nice in-ear noise cancelling buds. The Samsung proprietary charger, because no one likes using mini USB for some reason. Again, no mini USB, stuck with proprietary crap. That might actually be micro USB. I'm not up with the times on this stuff, so.
Told you the box was identical.
Good observation. Once you open it up, it's like, wow, is this an iPhone? Take off the protective casing. I'm sure you can see how shiny that is. Yeah, there's the camera. I'm going to leave that protective film on for now. Let's figure out how to open it.
How about try reading the instruction manual?
Instruction manuals are no fun. I might fast forward this bit just because I assume it would slide off, but I don't want to break it.
There's actually 2 discs in here.
Oh, there we go. Little tab here, we can pry the case off. So we'll insert my extremely old SIM. I don't believe it comes with a micro SD card, but it's a 16 gig phone from factory, so that's not a particularly big issue. Really hoping it comes with battery life. It does. That's unusually thick. It feels like a screen protector almost.
Maybe they thought ahead. I thought you were leaving that on.
No, because you can't see through it.
Okay.